Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the affordability calculator on the domain application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and after that click on the account button. Then you should scroll down and tap on home loan calculators. After that, you should scroll down again and tap on affordability calculator, find out if you could afford that property. And then you will be directed to domain.com where you can set how much could you put towards your repayment. So tap on it and type in the amount as well as how much savings do you have. Then the estimated property price should be added, and you can add advanced options such as first home buyer, repayment type, interest rate, and here you can find the calculation and other options down below. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.